How to use Aviator Predictor app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you additional information about using Aviator Predictor app. Now this is actually a digital solution for users who prefer for more thoughtful approach. And you might want to have to use this at your own risk because the download links for the main file of Aviator has a lot of options here, especially with the default ones. So some of those specific download link includes malware, but you're just gonna make sure that you're gonna be using this at your own risk. Using this is very easy, but downloading it can be challenging. So use up your preferred web browser and simply type in or go to this link that's gonna be aviatorpredictor.com and you'll be redirected here. Once you hit on download, V4 or version 4 is actually the latest version of Aviator Predictor. You click that and it will automatically detect the country where you're in if you're eligible to use this specific platform. Download it and you should be able to use it easily. And that is how you use Aviator Predictor app.